Centenos Historia Productions presents the Galaxy Tab S5e review.
What's up, all my YouTubers? Today I got a new device I'm about to introduce and show y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, I got right here on my hand the new Galaxy Tab S5e. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing about this new tablet.
And here we have the front of the device, the side, the other side, and the back. The Galaxy Tab S5e was first announced on February 15, 2019, but was not released until April 26, 2019. And here we go, we open the box and the first thing we see, it's the tablet covered in this sleeve. The Galaxy Tab S5e comes on a 10.5-inch display, 2560x1600 resolution. You get two choices, 64GB of internal storage or 128, with an expandable memory up to 512GB, micro SD card. The front of the camera comes with 8 megapixels. Back of the camera comes with 13 megapixels. Qualcomm processor Snapdragon 670 octa-core 2000 mHz, and it has a battery of 7040 milliamps. It comes with 4 loudspeakers, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, USB-C charging port. It has a fingerprint reader by the power button. Black, gold and silver are the colors to choose from. Fast express charger, it's also included in the box. In this small box compartment, we have the charging cord, USB to USB-C. And here we have, in the back of this box, the pin to open the microSD card slot. Inside this box we have the warranty, and instructions on how to use the tablet. Here a 3.5mm headphone adapter included, since the tablet itself doesn't have one. Once again, the pin to open the SIM card or microSD card slot. And finally, just the empty box left. Alright, thank you guys for watching this little review about this new Galaxy Tab S5e. Once again, one thing that I forgot to mention, well, the camera is right here on the top. When you turn left, you see this little port right here. This is the hook for the keyboard. In the back again you see the Samsung, the camera right here, 13 megapixels, sounds by AKG. The bottom has an USB-C port, so it no longer has a 3.5mm headphone jack. And the fingerprint reader is right here. All you have to do is register your finger. After it's registered, you just put your finger like this and it's unlocked. Simple, that is it. Once again, I turn it back on. What I have to do is place my finger on the unlock button like this and it's unlocked. Also, I can do face unlock. All I have to do is just double tap on the screen
Oh, now it unlocked. Well guys, just stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to do a deep review, an inside review about the settings, so stay tuned for my next upcoming video pretty soon. Thank you guys.